The research work is entitled Supervised Machine Learning Classification Algorithms for Detection of Fracture Location in Dissimilar Friction Similar Joints. So the main objective of the research work is to implement 4 supervised machine learning algorithms, that is decision tree algorithms, k-nearest algorithms, support vector machine algorithm, and ADA boost algorithm for on the data set of dissimilar friction similar joints for detecting the fracture location. So in the given data set, the rotational speed, welding speed, pin profile, and axial force were the input parameters, while the fracture location is the output parameter. So the methodology is to import the Python library first, then you have to load the friction stimuli data set, then we have to perform some exploratory data analysis on the available data set, and then we are going to split the data set in 80-20 ratio, and then we are going to implement the machine learning algorithms on that for training and testing purpose. So while doing the feature importance calculation, we have noticed that the axial force doesn't contribute to the output parameter. So we have neglected the axial force parameter from our study. Now moving to the decision tree algorithm results. So for this algorithm, we have obtained the accuracy score of 0.78. Now moving to the next algorithm, that is the k nearest neighbor algorithm. We have obtained the accuracy score for 0.67. We have obtained the accuracy score for 0.67 accuracy score. Okay, so now moving to the SVM algorithm. So we have, in this case, we have obtained the accuracy score for 0.89, which is higher than the all algorithms implemented. Now moving to the next algorithm, that is the ADA boost algorithm. So for this algorithm, we have got the accuracy score of 0.56, which is lowest. Now the conclusion is that we have implemented successfully the 4 supervised machine learning algorithms for determining the fracture location in dissimilar friction similar joints, and the support vector machine algorithm resulted in highest accuracy score of 0.89 in comparison to the other algorithms, while ADA boost algorithm resulted in lowest accuracy score of 0.56.